Out here, was greasing the log loader, and or excuse me, the loader on the log truck. And at some point, I must have smashed a grease zerk. So here's the grease zerk. It's not a big deal. It just, the problem is I'm used to like using the side of the grapple and kind of banging logs up against trucks and stuff, get them to lay down. And I can't do that with this grapple because the hoses are on the outside. I think I need to rebuild. Oh, I can't see the way it is. That one, the eye on the rod, you can see how it's flat here and hanging out over here instead of like this, so it's even both sides. The bushing's completely gone. It's probably wore into the eye. I need to rebuild that, weld it up, bore it, and put a new bushing in there. I think when I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and turn these cylinders around so the hoses are on the inside, not hanging out. You know, it's one of my never-ending to-do list, but that is something that needs addressed. But for now, I'm just gonna change out this grease zerk, and then that's half a load of fir. There's some pine in there. Then pretty much everything left is lodgepole pine. Lodgepole pine's a good firewood. It burns quite a bit cleaner than like a hemlock or a white fir, but also longer. It's almost like Douglas fir. So it's not like, even though it's pine, it's not like ponderosa pine like this stuff. So, but I'm gonna finish working all this up into a short log load so it can be delivered. But I just thought I'd kind of show you what I'm doing. You know, the never-ending to-do list.